So I am going to do if they freak out, but you're not showing them. Yeah, you mean the clients? Absolutely. We be professional. We being take good care of them. It doesn't mean to give them the right that they are the customer is everything. It had to be mutual and balanced. You see what I mean? It's okay if you don't like the way we doing it. Then you can see them next time. We have a lot of people calling, and then they were checking on the price, and then we consult them, and you know, like it's too much and I paying. That's, you know, I'm still saying is thank you so much for calling. I really appreciate you calling. We hope we catch you sometime in the future. That's it. And then all that is we don't afraid of it to just be honest with them. Hey,
crystal clear.
Crystal clear. Yeah.
Yeah, this.
If they try to come back.
The one I'm from.
Oh. You don't charge them the booking fee if they notify you at least 24 hours. If they notify you like an hour or like, okay, same hours that you do, you're losing money. You know what? If we all cool and united together, so then like just help the clients understand that we are here to really want to take care of them and make their beautiful nails. How could you think the resources come if all the clients bail on the appointment? You'll be like really frustrated, and then you're losing your income from them not showing, and you're losing income from people you can't take. That's why you being like have what they call the trap rat, the rat trap.
Rat race?
The rat race, that you just being running around, like, you know, you couldn't get the clients, couldn't build up. Someone have to step the foot down, which is you. So I just want that veins like that. Oh, I really like today's tutorial. I feel like I talk a lot. I've been missing all of you for like 3 days. So I like been making up talking. No, but bottom of my heart, I really like we can do a session that's sharing with tip and tricks how to keep the clients. Well, this is like we opens mind to talk together. It doesn't mean sometimes it can be sensitive topics that we don't want to talk about. But then we would rather to do that instead of not at all, because we that rather to face it and to know how we can have a good solutions instead of not instead of avoiding like, oh, I shouldn't charge too high because she's gonna not paying, she's not gonna come back. It's not about that. But if you're paying so much for your supplies and good powders and good gel polish, and then you don't charge it up, how can you able to keep up with your business and grow your business and then do the best for your clients? You're gonna doing all like bad quality, and then guess what? It's not last on them, and guess what? They're gonna leave you anyway. So we just have to be really alert with that. So I'm gonna do some, but I want this one for sure. Can be toxic love. What is going with? Oh, I want to do something. Let me show you something. I got it. Someone asking for snake skin yesterday. I forgot. Is that perfume? Yes. And now I am going to using my premiums I hold channel foils. My other ones. Why is that? Maybe on this one. This bottle. So if you're doing the black bottles, make sure you key it for good. It's only take 30 seconds to key on a good proper LED lamp. However, if your lamp you feel that you notice that is not keying is good enough for you, make sure you give it a little bit more time Like you can keep it more like 60 seconds or 60 seconds or longer than that until it's completely clear for you. So I am gonna pop in the lamp, just put it under the LED lamp. Invest it. Okay. I'm coming there for the purple too. Okay, Nene, you come here. You will be my models. Thanks so much. His motivation. Hey, thanks so much. Kill them with the kindness. Okay, live ask. Hey, seen flowers. Hold on. Did I miss you? You told me you changed your profile, right? The name? Toraya, hello, how are you? It's my first one and my second one. Looks not bad, right? After like 2 days, no live videos with all of you. I miss you so much. And I might just give it a little bit. We'll see how is that. Okay. All right. I don't want a whole piece in there. I just want a little bit. How about that? You can have holes like nails if you want to. I just want this, just a patch of it.
It looks nice, shiny skin.
Yeah, wherever she want to go. Who's getting her right there? Haha. Okay. There's so many different ways you can watching the other way too. If you do 5 nails, you can have her half 1, 2, 3. But I'll do 1 nail, so I'm gonna do her right there. Hopefully she will fit on the nails. Hey, Perk Nails, thank you. You can name them after the song. Oh, yes, I need the name for this. But we're still really lucky than a lot of others, so we'll still continue. Hope everybody being safe. And no one's got injured at all. This nail can be longer. You know what? Be honest, I'm really afraid of snake. Snakes never being my favorite one at all. But my sister, as I did it before and I talking about, my sister had a snake as a pet for so many years. Scare. Not bad at all. I'm gonna put some crystal on her. That's cute. I'm gonna put some crystal on her. Let me do. I am going to use my gel painting brush in a black color. Your grandkids have one snake? I'm really afraid of. My sister played with her snake and a little cute nephew, he played with this. He wrapped around his neck. It just really scared me. And I read the other story, and one day whatever is on online, and the snake tried to eat Oh, so scared. You think so?
No, there's a story about like you have a snake pet.
Yeah.
So growing up with her, sleep with her every night, and turned out the snake just kind of sizing her up and see when he big enough to eat her.
Yeah, so he will try to like not eating anything. So he will just try to just wrap around her and play with her like a pet. But then he will refuse to eat. So he doesn't want to eat anything. But he's trying to doing it, and she's so spoiling him, and she's will let him sleep on the bed with her. And then he trying to like wrap around hers and just playing around with her to just like wrap around. So what is it? Who say that? I think she's gonna eat her.
Like
The doctor would say that. Oh, right. So she took her to the vet because she's doesn't see her snake eating anything, so she was so concerned. So her vet doctor was saying that she tried to eat you because she's refused to eat. So she preparing to swallow you. That's why she getting the measurement of your body, so then she can being starving, so then she can eat you easily. That's freak me out. It's true though.
no, but you shouldn't have a snake that big as a pet.
Oh, it's growing.
No, like certain species of snake only grow to a certain size. If you go like a giant thing, then yes, it could. I think it could swallow or dig a hole. Humans, nothing.
You know what? I'm thinking of this nails. You can do something is really cool if you want her to be in the middle. Then you have her skin to be shredding on this side. So.
And that was the one, a python.
Huh?
A python, a really big snake.
This is?
Yeah.
Hold on, I'm cleaning up. Quick. Just on the side, white stick in there. It doesn't go. Or maybe sticker. That's sticker.
So that's it.
I'm gonna flash key it first, and I'm gonna put some crystal on it.